Hello. This is a quick and easy tip on how to make a Lego bird. You can get these pieces or you can use similar pieces. Doesn't have to be the same. If they're similar enough, then they'll work too. So once you've gotten all your pieces, let's start by making the body. Get this piece and this piece. Put them together like that. Then we're going to form the legs, which is you'll have to get it upside down. Get two of these wedge shaped and put right there. Right there. Now you've formed the feet. Once you've done that, let's do this. We're going to use that at the end of this episode. Then when you're done doing that, flip this over, get this piece, stick that right there. Okay, now you'll form the nose and the pecker, which I like to call it. Get this piece and this piece, put that into that like there. Then you're gonna put that on there. But what is it? What is a bird without any wings? So you're gonna turn that around, get these pieces. You can use 2s or 4s. I like using 3s because they're good. Then now you're going to put it on like that and that, and you have your bird. Thanks for watching, and watch my other quick and easy tips.